right, there is a verdict coming in first on Republic TV. The breaking news that's coming in right now, let's break it down for our viewers. There is a verdict. Supreme Court orders a separate trial for each offence in the fodder scam case in the top court. It's going to be seen as a massive blow for Lalu Prasad Yadav because the trial has been ordered by the Supreme Court. This clearly means that Lalu Prasad Yadav, who was hoping for no trial against him, is not going to get it down so easily. 10:36. Republic TV breaks it down for our viewers. The top court says the Supreme Court is allowing the appeal of the CBI. Criminal conspiracy charges have been revived against Lalu Prasad Yadav, RJD chief. A massive blow coming for the RJD chief.
Good morning, Rhythm. Now, you know, in the immediate aftermath of the Lalu tapes, this is a very major development. Obviously, the courts have been looking at very closely also the public conduct of Lalu Prasad. Do you think that would have been something that the courts would have been aware of and has an implication on cases like this? Now, in this case, Lalu tapes really proved that his public conduct was not above question. Rhythm.
Absolutely. Arnab, we have to remember when the Supreme Court started hearing the case, they were hearing all these appeals. The Solicitor General of India appeared personally for the CBI in the case. When he appeared in the top court, he had made it clear he wanted criminal conspiracy charges revived. Remember, this is coming 3 days after the Republic TV's expose. It's not going to be seen as something so light for Lalu Prasad Yadav. His team was very nervous. Our sources had told us there was a huge indication this will happen. When the Supreme Court bench was hearing this, Arnab, they were very negative. It was very clear from the observations that were coming in the Supreme Court. They were not understanding why, on a mere technicality, the Jharkhand High Court had in fact given relief to Lalu Prasad Yadav. That is why today's verdict seems absolutely clear. What Lalu Prasad Yadav had been most nervous of, what his lawyer Ram Jethmalani had been most nervous of, has in fact come true. Court 12 in the top court says criminal conspiracy charges revived, a separate trial in each fodder scam case for the RJD.